Nous sommes dans une région qui est marquée par beaucoup de fragilité. Fragilité sur le plan politique, fragilité sur le plan social, fragilité sur le plan économique et sur le plan démocratique aussi. Toutes choses qui peuvent être profondément exploitées par la désinformation, par des contenus synthétiques générés par l'intelligence artificielle pour exacerber, pour aggraver cette situation et créer des situations où le vivre ensemble est menacé.
For Cabo Verde, it's important to have a platform of dialogue so we can find sustainable solutions and bold measures in order to reinforce information integrity in West Africa and also in the Sahel. In African continent, information integrity has been also as more like other parts of the world has facing a lot of challenges, and then we think that this regional framework would be also a model for a continental framework in order to see how we member states in African Union as well, we can foster a little bit dialogue on this important topic, and also take into account a very outstanding regional framework that so far the continent has endorsed. So like I was thinking about the Convention on Democracy and Governance, the Digital Transformation Strategic Plan that the African Union adopted a couple of years ago.
Coming together, representatives from 13 countries, key government leaders, and selected civil society voices is a demonstration of how important it is to act in a united way. There may be some differences in understanding exactly the problem and its causes, but there's no disagreement that to act, we need to have a shared front to be able to really work together and tackle this problem.
On s'est basé aussi sur les avancées dans le domaine de la recherche sur ces questions pour pouvoir proposer aux États un modèle de politique qui est aligné non seulement aux standards internationaux, mais aussi sur les principes récemment développés par l'UNESCO sur la gouvernance des plateformes numériques. Nous avons aussi proposé un plan d'action sur l'intégrité de l'information, le plan d'action de Praia pour l'intégrité de l'information, qui propose une panoplie d'actions sur 100 niveaux.
I genuinely want to thank UNESCO and the government of Cabo Verde for their invitation to this critical conference. And I want to also congratulate UNESCO and government of Cabo Verde for this important milestone in setting out sort of a path towards strengthening of information integrity in the region. We're looking forward to next steps. We are ready to exchange further, to support, to contribute. So thank you very much, and see you next time.